Hey guys, just received this ASUS laptop, so let's go ahead and open this. This is supposed to be a used, or you can say open box, but like new in new condition. So let's see. Uh, first time buying an open box laptop. So okay, comes with charger, and it's a 45-watt charger. Let me see if you can focus in. Okay, so that is that, and this is a laptop. Nothing else in the box. So, well, first impression, it's a pretty lightweight, which is nice, and it's a 14-inch. This is supposed to be my backup laptop, not my main laptop. So it's not very high-end spec, which is I'm okay. I just wanted to use this for my, let's say, my bedroom at night. Sometimes something were to happen, or I need to do some small things like maintaining my server or run certain tasks, so I can run those tasks here. Okay, so it has ASUS printed on top. So this is on the left. This is supposed to be a USB 2.0 port, then probably charging, then nothing on the front. On the right hand side, it's supposed to be power input here. Let's check real quick. Yep, HDMI, which is on 1.4 to high speed USB 3, but I think it's Gen 1, and a USB-C. It doesn't have any power. I mean, it's not a Thunderbolt or USB 4, and audio jack. Pretty standard, nothing back. Wish there would be vents here, but unfortunately I could see vents on the bottom. However, this is not a very high-end laptop, so hope it shouldn't generate a lot of heat. Let's go ahead and open this and give you a closer look. It has the Iris graphics, Intel i5, and number pad, which is nice. It's a ergonomic keyboard, so I mean the keyboard is okay. I have seen worse for sure, especially with like MacBook 2019, which was like butterfly style. It was atrocious to type on that. So it's certainly better than that, but I've seen better even in Dell. However, I think the best laptop keyboards are made by Lenovo. They are like great. Anyway, let's move on. So this is supposed to be shutter for camera, which is awesome. Probably some sensor, I don't know. Yeah, it's not like super used, and it looks decent in shape. So let's go ahead and fire it up. Let's plug this in first and see something comes up. Yes, this LED is on, and let's press power. I don't know why this power is the like second button from the right instead of like the rightmost. And let me go ahead and set this up. Okay, before I could do anything, I'm just unable to use this touchpad. Probably have to turn on and off something. I don't know. Okay. Nope. I don't know. Do I need to install any drivers or whatnot? I don't know at this point. So unfortunately, even the keypad is not working, and I don't know why I don't know if it's just arrogance or what, or oversight. Like they make these two keys really small. I don't know, even if there is plenty of space. I don't know how much cost saving they are doing for this by just using a smaller keys. I don't know. And also I just don't like that they are so not, you know, so not right-handed friendly laptop, because all of these things goes on the right hand side. Okay, at this point even my external keyboard is also not working. However, this is on. Let me figure this out. Well, so I could see that caps lock is turning on and off, so I don't think it's a keyboard issue or a mouse issue, probably just Windows 11 giving me some trouble here. Okay, so what I did so far is long press this power button and it went to shut down, and then I again pressed it to turn it on and went into BIOS by pressing F2 key. So right now I'm in BIOS right now. That's pretty much it. Let's see if I can get this thing working. So let's see again. Okay, finger crossed. Okay, so it's working at this point. I was able to hit enter, and I'm gonna press again enter here. Skip. Let's connect to, and I'm gonna deny all these settings. Something is coming. Let's see. Okay, I got this thing working, and I show you the screen with really close up. That's how it looks like. And no, keypad is not backlit. And see, mouse is working now. That's nice. Well, something I like about this so far, that there aren't any bloatwares of, I don't know, maybe previous owner uninstalled it. I am not certain of that. However, I don't see much here, which is great. And if this is factory default, good job ASUS. So in order to show you how this sounds like, I've searched some music. Hopefully it's not copyrighted. Oops, my bad. Okay, there it goes. So yeah, that's how it sounds like. Quick thing about this on and off thing. So it works. Okay. That's how it works. When this is on, you can use this as a number pad. So let me go ahead and shut this down, and then I'll try to upgrade its RAM if possible. So in order to access innards of this laptop, I need to unscrew all the screws and one in the center. So let me go ahead and unscrew it. So I couldn't find anything else but an old gift card, so I'm gonna use this as my prying tool. You can use anything as long as it works. Okay, so it wasn't very hard once I got got pried out, at least a small amount. So that said, that's how innards are. Let's see. So this is a SSD, Wi-Fi card, our processor, fan, and RAM. Let's go ahead and see how much RAM we have. We got it here. Okay. So the RAM which was installed was from Samsung, which is nice. I didn't expect that, but it's a 4 GB. So I have this 8 gig stick lying around, and this is from a different system. I took it out because I upgraded that RAM to 32 gig. So I'm gonna repurpose it and slide it in here. So I was able to take this heatsink or whatever from this Samsung DIMM, and I'm gonna put this here and then just press it. That is all. To upgrade this SSD, you probably have to open this like that and just take this off. And to put this back, before putting this back, let's see if I can get a look at it and show it to you guys. It's a Gen 4 and NVMe, which is great, and from Micron, so decent one. It's a smaller inside, so I'm gonna upgrade it anyway, but not before I clone this. So I'm gonna put this back for now and try to screw it. Okay, now that's back in. I'm gonna close the lid, but before that, let's have a look at the battery real quick. And it's a 42 watt hour battery. It's not a big one, but didn't expect much because it's really cheap laptop. And I think these are speakers. Yeah, it is what it is. Also, quick note, I don't know why someone in ASUS decided let's have two different height of screws for this laptop, which isn't that bad but not so great. Well, fortunately they do have like same flip head at least, so it's not that bad to replace or open this one, but could be better. Alrighty, I screwed most of screws except 3 of them, and I realized that I should have tested this laptop before installing all the screws, but better late than never. So I'm gonna fire this up and let's see if that RAM is properly installed and it works or not. So nothing. Okay, it's on. I don't know if it has some issue with this battery or some power thing. I don't know what's going on, but at least it's on now. Okay, so it does show 12 gig of RAM, so that's a piece to my mind, and it has a i5-1235U. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Let me know if you guys are considering this laptop, or would you use this processor or a basic laptop as your backup laptop or a daily driver. Obviously no gaming or any crazy stuff, because I don't expect this to be that powerful, and as I said, this is my backup laptop, not my primary driver. So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Take care, guys.